Everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or help solve the problem of kicking you out on Rapid TV. We click on settings like this. Here in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, we click on Rapid TV. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Rapid TV and then you will update your app if you find update here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your